The boy who never gave up. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Raju. He was 12 years old and came from a poor family. His father worked in the fields, and his mother stayed at home to take care of Raju and his younger sister. Life was not easy for them, but they managed to live happily. Raju loved school and wanted to study hard to become a teacher one day. He believed that education could change his life. But his village school did not have good teachers or books. The classroom had broken chairs, and the roof leaked when it rained. Many children did not attend school because they thought studying was useless. But Raju did not think like them. He knew that learning was important. Every morning, Raju woke up early. He helped his mother fetch water from the well and collected firewood for cooking. After finishing his chores, he walked 2 miles to school. On the way, he carried his torn bag filled with old books. He always had a smile on his face and greeted everyone he met. One day, a new teacher came to the school. Her name was Meera ma'am. She was kind and taught with great passion. She noticed Raju's enthusiasm and dedication. She asked him why he studied so hard. Raju said, "Ma'am, I want to become a teacher like you. I want to help children learn and grow." Meera ma'am was touched by his words. She decided to help him. She gave him extra books to read and stayed back after school to teach him. Raju was happy and worked even harder. But soon, a big problem came into his life. Raju's father fell ill and could not go to the fields. The family had no money, and Raju's mother said he must stop going to school to work and earn money. Raju felt very sad, but he understood his family's situation. The next day, Raju went to the town and found a job in a small tea shop. He worked from morning till evening, washing cups and cleaning tables. He was tired, but he did not lose hope. He took a small notebook with him and wrote down whatever he remembered from his school lessons. One evening, Meera ma'am came to the tea shop. She was surprised to see Raju working there. She asked him why he was not coming to school. Raju explained his family's situation. Meera ma'am felt sorry for him but admired his determination. Meera ma'am decided to help him again. She spoke to some kind-hearted people in the village and collected money for Raju's family. With their support, Raju's father got medicine and recovered soon. Raju could go back to school, but he promised to help his family whenever they needed him. Now, Raju studied even harder. He woke up earlier than before to do his chores. After school, he helped his father in the fields and still found time to revise his lessons. His friends teased him, saying he was wasting his time studying, but Raju did not listen to them. He knew his dreams were bigger than their words. Years passed, and Raju finished his studies. He got a scholarship to a college in the city. It was his first time leaving his village, but he was excited. He studied with the same passion and dedication. He faced many challenges in the city, but he never gave up. After completing his education, Raju returned to his village as a teacher. The villagers were proud of him. He started teaching at the same school where he once studied. He repaired the broken chairs, fixed the roof, and brought new books for the children. He told the children stories about his struggles and taught them the value of hard work and determination. Raju's life became an inspiration for everyone in the village. He proved that no matter how difficult life is, one should never give up on their dreams. With hard work, kindness, and hope, anything is possible. And so, Raju lived his dream, not only as a teacher but also as a guide to many children who wanted to achieve great things in life. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.